Now here's some breaking news coming out of Naturena. The news being that Kaizer Chiefs have snapped up defender Thabo Molaisane. Now we were the first to report that he would be leaving Stellies as far back as July last year, that the player was entering his final season with the Cape Winelands outfit under Steve Barker, with Kevin Hunt later replacing him. Amakhosi have snapped him up, beating several Betway Premiership rivals to his signature. Thabo has served Stellies with aplomb, playing over 100 matches, including being part of their recent continental success. So he's got competition at Amakhosi, but he's slotting right in, with the move set to be confirmed as early as the 1st of July, given that he does have his free agency and can start a new chapter. Now for updates on transfer news, player movements all across the Betway Premiership, keep it locked on all my social media platforms.